Okay, let's discuss how to estimate the total market demand for the three geographies of USA, China, and Europe. So, we read Market Outlook. In the Market Outlook, we understood that there is a 5% increase in demand across all markets. But we were also told that Europe is actually showing a sign of decline, and to some extent, US is also showing it, but China is actually having a growth prospect. Now we have a choice to make. We can just go with the basic information that maybe all three of them will actually grow by 5% each, or we may believe that China may grow a little bit more than what the market is predicting, and Europe may not grow as much as market is predicting, or I can even do it like a 4 and a 4.5. Now this is where uh, you remember the managerial discretion that we discussed as part of strategic leadership. This is what comes here. There is an analyst report that has been provided. Now we are reading and interpreting the analyst report, and based on that, now we are making some estimates and some judgments. So 555 is also a right solution. A 4.5, a 5.5, and a 4 is probably also a right solution. So what has happened here? Let's understand. Last year, the size of the US market was 5.752 million units. This year, we are expecting that the US market will grow by 4.5%. And once this 4.5% of growth is applied on this 5.752 million units, the new market size or the current year market size for the USA will become as 6.01 million units. I'll explain it to you using a calculator. Let's see if I can pull up my calculator. Okay, so let's do it here. Last year, the market size was 5752. This year, the market is growing by 4.5%. So multiplied by 4.5 equals this divided by 100. So the market will grow by 258,000 units. Okay. So whatever was sold last year, this year we will sell an additional 258,000 units. So if I add this to the original market size, which was 5752, this is what I'm predicting as the market size for the current year or for the practice round one. And this is exactly what I have here. So the last year market size was about 5.75 million units, and this year my estimated market size in USA is 6 million units. My estimated size in China is about 4.33 million units, and my estimated size in Europe is about 7.86 million units. Europe still seems to be very big in terms of market size. Okay, I hope this was helpful.